If you're seeing the Discord error 418, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix it step by step. This usually means something is wrong with the request your app, script, or browser is sending, and in many cases, it can be resolved quickly once you check the right settings. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. First, let's understand what's happening. A 418 error can sometimes show up because your code is accidentally returning it as a placeholder, or because a request is being blocked by Discord or a Discord-related page. So the first thing you want to do is check your request URLs and routing. Make sure the URL is correct, make sure you are calling the right endpoint, and make sure your app is not sending traffic somewhere it shouldn't. If you have any custom error handling in your code, look closely at whether a mock response or test response is triggering 418 by mistake. Sometimes developers use temporary status codes during testing and forget to remove them, so this is a great place to start. Next, if you are using an automated script or an API scraper, the issue may be that your request looks too automated. In that case, adjust your request headers so they look more like a normal web browser. A valid user agent can make a big difference because many services use that to identify how a request is coming in. You should also set your headers to accept application/JSON when you're working with Discord-related requests, since that can help the server understand the format you want and reduce filtering issues. If your current headers are missing these values, add them and test again. After that, run your script again and see whether the error is gone. If it still appears, go back and review the full request flow from start to finish. Check the route, check the headers, and check any middleware or proxy you may be using. If you are pulling data from a Discord page through automation, even a small mismatch in the request can cause a block or a strange error response. The goal is to make the request look valid, clean, and consistent. Also, if you're testing in a browser or in a local environment, try clearing any old cache data in retrying the request. Sometimes stale sessions or outdated request data can keep the error coming back even after you fix the code. It's also a good idea to confirm that your endpoint is actually expecting the type of request you're sending. For example, if the route expects JSON, make sure you are sending JSON. If it expects authentication, make sure the token or session is still valid. So to recap, the main fixes are: check your request URLs and routing, make sure you are not accidentally returning 418 in your own code, and if you're using automation, update your headers with a proper user agent and accept application/JSON. Those 3 steps solve a lot of Discord 418 issues very quickly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.